Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome to Laravel 8 series for beginners. My name is Murad. We will learn Laravel from scratch. So, to learn the Laravel from version 8, you do not need to learn the previous versions. What Laravel do in the newer version is do some bug fixes and have introduced some new features. So you can start learning from Laravel 8. So let's get started. So first of all, what is Laravel? Laravel is an PHP framework. It was made to easier the development process without sacrificing the quality of the code. This framework is based on MVC design pattern. MVC is model view controller. MVC is the design pattern where first request go to the controller. It will get the data from the model and display it to the view. So in this way, it will handle the request, and this is the design pattern. We will see all the details when we will get into the project. And this is the most popular framework of the PHP, and this was released in 2011, and its developer name was Tyler Otwell, and its current version is 8.8 at the time of recording this video. In this slide, you can see that in the PHP frameworks, 25% share market has the Laravel framework with respect to other PHP frameworks. So, what will be included in this series? First of all, Laravel 8 overview, and then we will do the installation and setup of the Laravel. Later, we will build a demo website and a project. Then we will do the APIs and we'll talk about some new features in the Laravel. And then we will deploy the Laravel application on the server. So first of all, overview of the Laravel. These are the basic things which I have listed here. What Laravel do is route handling. In the route handling, we have to get, put, post, and delete type of request. So Laravel provides us a simple method to handle these kind of routes. Moreover, Laravel provides us the security layer is provide us cross-site scripting security. Laravel also provides us models and DB migrations. Through the models, you can make the relationships, and these relationships will help you out when you will query the database. Laravel is using the ORM object relation model for the database, and DB migrations also provide us a structured way to develop a project and make the structure of the database so the other developers also can have that database when we are developing a project. Laravel also provides us views or templates. Views or templates are actually Laravel also use the blade template, which provide us the functionality of dynamic views. So you don't have to repeat the code for a similar page like same header and footer. You can make one file for header and footer, and you can share the code using the blade template engine. Laravel provides us the authentication, user authentication. For the user authentication, Laravel provides different packages like Laravel Breeze, Laravel Sanctum, etc. Laravel provided session management. We don't have to worry about the session here. It will automatically provide you session guard, which will help you out to maintain the session using session and cookies. Laravel also provide us compile assets using the Laravel mix package. Moreover, Laravel provides storage and file management system, which is already built in. We can easily store the file and handle it. Laravel by default comes with error handling. It provides us exception handling, etc. Laravel comes with unit testing methodology. Unit testing is provided in Laravel by default. You can do unit testing easily. Moreover, Laravel also provide email configurations. We don't have to do a long code for emails. You just have to put the configuration in the file and the email will be working. Cache handling a very big thing provided by the Laravel. You can do the tasks at the back end, like you want to send an email or a very heavy task which is taking the time, so you can do at the back end. Laravel provides us memcache and Redis to handle the cache. So like you don't have to worry about the tasks which are very heavier and taking the time to get the response. You can do it on the backend. So this was the overview of the Laravel. In the next video, we will do installation and setup of the Laravel. Hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.